Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. And today I want to share my personal opinion on the two upcoming premium sets named Circuit Legends and Euro Speed. I'm obviously gonna show pictures for every car in these sets, and I'm also crediting the owner of these screenshots slash of the video which I got them from, which is Lamley. You can find his video, his showcase with all the history lessons to the cars actually, which is quite interesting in my opinion, in the description. So yeah, with nothing else to add, let's get started. I would like to start with the Circuit Legends Car Culture Mix 5 set, which features two new cars in total. One car which you probably know already is gonna be the Ferrari 499P. Please remember yourself, 499P is a different car than the 499P Modificata, and this car is obviously gonna be the new model, but it's also gonna be the new chase of this set, which is in my opinion a really great choice, because I think it's also the first Ferrari chase we have. So yeah, great model to start it off, I guess. And then we have the Porsche 911 GT3 992. Great car. I love this Porsche. I love the 992 Gen, and yeah, love to see it in this set. I don't have it as a model, but this is one of the models I'm definitely gonna go after. Cars like the Ferrari 499P you obviously not gonna get because people love them as well, so yeah. One car which is sadly probably gonna be the pack warmer, not for me personally, but for many other people probably, is the second Porsche in the set, and I'm talking about the Porsche 917 KH. And I love this Porsche. Lamley loves this Porsche too. I don't know why many collectors don't like it, but this is probably gonna be the pack warmer of this set, sadly. Um, Now we are gonna go to the second new model of this set. It's the 2024 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5 Formula Drift. And at first I thought we had already seen this in this drifting themed set with the GR Yaris Chase. I don't know the set anymore. I'm probably gonna show a picture of it if I remember. But uh, as it seems like it's a new model and it looks great in my opinion. Especially the disc, I don't know what you call it in English, disc plates on the rear tires, which look absolutely fabulous in my opinion. Really great. And yeah, I'm gonna try to collect it as well. And then, and at last, but definitely not least, we have the Pandem Subaru BRC in a really beautiful white color. I actually owned this casting already from last year's G-Ready diorama set, where it was featured in a green G-Ready or teal colored G-Ready colorway. So yeah, the white one looks great as well, but it's not gonna be my priority at first because I already have the casting. But if I find it, maybe I get it. But yeah. With this, we're already halfway done with today's topic, and with the first set of the two. This set I would rate a 9 out of 10 because all the cars featured in it are great and definitely, in my opinion, great collectibles as well, especially the new models and the chase up as well, which is pretty much a no-brainer. But the 917, 911 and the BRC are great cars as well. So yeah, great set. And then we go right over to the second premium set, which has been revealed by Lamley Group. It's the, as I already said, Eurospeed set from the Car Culture Mix 6, which features 5 cars. Um, 3 of these are new to the premium lineup. We have one new model, and we have one. Wait, no, are we actually having 4? I'm not sure about how many are conversions, but we are starting off with the Bugatti Bolide. And this one is, if I remember correctly, one of the it's the first of the bunch of the converted cars. We have seen it in this exact blue colorway in the mainline a couple years ago, and last year in a red and yellow. So yeah. And this car will also be the chase in this set, which is really, really nice in my opinion. Next up, we have the Aston Martin Vantage GTE. I'm not quite sure if this is a conversion model, so it went from mainline to premium, but I would already say it was already a premium before in another circuit focused set, so yeah, I'm not quite sure on that. Great car overall. In this gray colorway, it's also great looking as well. But it's sadly probably gonna be the pack warmer because there's always at least one pack warmer of a set in a store to find. And the Aston Martin Vantage is probably gonna be it. In my opinion, I could be wrong and I would happy to be proven wrong. But yeah, one card that is definitely not gonna be hanging on the packs and is gonna go for absolutely wild prices is the new model of the Ferrari La Ferrari. And yes, this is a new model because the model itself is completely redone, completely reworked. There is no trace of the original Ferrari La Ferrari before the 2012 end of contract with Ferrari and Hot Wheels. This is a completely new model, so yeah, great car, looks already great on the pictures, but I hope I get it because it's one of my favorite Ferraris of all time. But obviously we are not gonna get it because people love it as well. One car which I'm definitely gonna collect from this set is the McLaren Solus GT, and this one is, I am sure, a conversion from mainline to premium. We have seen it in mainline inline 3 in 3 or 4 colorways. I have it in a white, in a blue, and an orange colorway. And I think we had one store exclusive color for North America, but I'm not quite sure on that one. So maybe I just had 3 colors. And then we are gonna finish this set with the Automobili Pininfarina Battista. And this car is also wonderful as well. Another conversion from mainline to premium, which I personally like to see. In mainline it already looked great, so it would nice to see to get it and to make a difference between a premium model and the same exact mainline model. So yeah, good for me that I find it. And this one is probably my third favorite car from this set. This set overall I would rate an 8.5 out of 10, and as the Circuit Legends a really, really great set, a really great lineup of cars, and yeah, I would happily be proven wrong about both pack warmers. And yeah, now it's time for your opinion, guys. Let me know in the comments which one of these sets you would collect, or which cars you would collect from these sets, and which one is your most liked and your least favorite car from both sets. And then, thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed, why not leave a like and a sub to the channel, because it helps me out a lot, and it's free as well. And then I wish you a wonderful time until next time. Bye bye.